Hey guys, today we are going to continue our work with vowel diphthongs. So we are going to be working with the same four diphthongs. OU and OW, which say ow, OI and OY, which say oi. So let's take a look at two words. I have the word soy and I have the word soil. These two words both have the oi sound in them, but they are spelled differently. If we take a look at the first word, I have, this one is soy, oi. Here the O-Y makes that oi sound, as in soybeans. Over here, I have the word soil. Soil is spelled with the diphthong O-I, still making the same oi sound. Two other diphthongs that we have make the ow sound. That is O-W and O-U. Here I have two different words for us to show this example. I have the word cow with the O-W spelling of the sound ow, and I have couch with the O-U spelling combination for the same sound ow. Say these words with me. Cow, couch. Do you hear that same middle ow sound? Now let's practice with a list of words. Just like yesterday's lesson, we sorted words into the oi sound and the ow sound. You're going to do that same activity today with your learning guide with the following words. Voice, shout, loyal, joyful, avoid, towel, proud, and power. You are going to practice saying these words with your learning guide to see if you can identify whether these words make the oi sound or the ow sound. Then you're going to pause this video where you're going to check your work. Ready? Here we go. All right, let's check your work. How did you do? The words that have the oi sound are voice, avoid, joyful, loyal. Do you hear how I have that oi in all of those words? Voice, avoid, joyful, loyal. You get it. They all have the oi sound. And then lastly, we have the following words that have the ow sound, as in shout, towel, proud, and power. You guys did a great job today with sorting words that have the vowel diphthongs OU and OW, which make the ow sound, and words that are spelled OI and OY that make the oi sound. Good luck today in your coursework, friends, as you go on to read a few decodable readers.